Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, we're gonna be doing a tutorial on how I curl my hair because that's one of the most requested videos so far, how I curl my hair. So I'm finally doing a tutorial and I'm gonna show you guys how I do my hair. I'm gonna share my secrets. So before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow me on my social medias. And let's get started with the video. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys what I use. So first I use a brush, and this one is from Dollar Tree. It's just a hairbrush, and I don't want to turn it around because it has hair in it, but it's just a normal Dollar Tree, brush. And then the head protector that I use is from Tresemme. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Tresemme or something like that. So this is the heat protection up to 450 Fahrenheit, and it's just this one. I get this one from Walmart. I believe it's like around $5. So that's where I get this one, and it's really good. This is my favorite so far. And yeah, this is the one that I use. And then for my curling iron, it's a wand. I use a wand. This one is really old. I've had it for years now, probably. I had it since I was in high school, and I'm gonna be a senior in college, so it's pretty old. It's from the brand, let me see, it's from the brand Remington, and I believe I got this one from Target, if I can remember that correctly. I think I got this one from Target, but this is how it looks. I don't really know the model because, like I said, it's really old, but it's just a wand. If I can find a similar one, I'm gonna link it down below. I'll link everything down below, but yeah, if I can find a similar one, then I'll link it down below. But this one goes to 30, so that's the settings that I use. I just turn it on, and this one came with a glove, but I never used it, and I did burn myself a lot. So I learned how to use and how to curl my hair in, a hard way, but I did. So pretty much I'm gonna be doing a voiceover on the video, but yeah, that's pretty much all the products that I use. So now let's get on with the video. Oh, and I forgot to say that after I'm done with my curls, I usually let them set so they can loosen up a little bit more. As you guys can see in the video, they're gonna be really tight, and if I brush them, they kind of go like crazy, but after a while they start to get like loose and like pretty. So I really love how I do my curls. I think they're so pretty. Since I have like kind of wavy hair, I don't need to like spray hairspray on my hair. They just naturally stay curly for a long time, so I guess that's pretty good for me because I really love having curly hair. But it's really hard for me when I want to straighten my hair because it never stays straight, and it bugs me so much. But having curly hair is so pretty. But yeah, first thing I do is brush my hair just to make sure that it's not tangled, there's no knots. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. And then after that, I'm gonna be spraying the heat protector all over my hair, and I spray a lot because I have a lot of hair, and since I'm also blonde, I try to protect my hair a lot. 'Cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Here I'm just showing you guys how I part my hair because I divide it in different sections. So the first section I do is above my ears, and the rest I just put it on a bun. Here I'm just showing you guys how I get the first section and I divide it into like 1-inch sections. Since the one is really small, I try to work with smaller sections. And then here I'm just wrapping the hair around the wand, and usually I wait about 15 seconds before I take out the curl so it can cool down, and it kind of makes the curl stay longer. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that when I curl my hair, I curl it facing away from my face. A piece of hair and the rest on a hair clip. Here I'm just repeating the same process, wrapping the hair around the wand and just waiting the 15 seconds. And this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my hair. Now I'm grabbing another section of my hair, putting it on a bun, and working with those small sections. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. After I'm done with the two sections, I like to run through my hair with my fingers so they can start getting a little loose. Once I get to the top of my head, I like to part my hair in the middle and work with one section, and within that one section I part my hair in another section. I know it's really confusing, but that's just how I do it. After I curl all my hair, I'm just brushing it. Like I said, I don't really like the tie curl look, so I try to loosen it up. But since I have frizzy hair, once I brush them, they kind of go wild and I don't like how they look. So usually I just wait a few hours so my hair, the curls can naturally get loose and like have shape to them. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do to my hair. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.